हे गाइस, क्या आपको पता है कि आप अपने एक सेल्फी के साथ पूरा हॉलीवुड मूवी क्रिएट कर सकते हो, या फिर आप वहां पर कुछ भी लिखकर एक नया सॉन्ग क्रिएट कर सकते हो अपने फ्रेंड के लिए, अपने बर्थडे पार्टी के लिए, या फिर किसी भी चीज़ के लिए। तो यहाँ पर आज मेरे पास कुल ऐसे ही टॉप 5 AI टूल्स हैं जो कि आपको यहाँ पर काफ़ी हेल्प करेगा आपकी डेली लाइफ में, एंड यहाँ पर आप इससे काफ़ी क्रिएटिव चीज़ें कर सकते हैं विद द यूज ऑफ दिस AI टूल्स। सो लेट्स जंप इनटू द फर्स्ट AI tool, which is Suno AI. This is the Suno AI homepage, and here you can type your stuffs. Like I have typed here, make a song for my brother birthday party. I forgot to type here for, so you just have to type it and it will give you songs right this side. So this is very useful for the persons who wants to create music for specific occasions, like for birthday party, for marriages and all those things. So जाइए इसको check out कीजिए. This is very useful for all of you. And if you want to create some beats or some genres, so you can choose from here, like classical, EDM, rock, house, and this is dark chords. Yes, so you will get a lot of genres, as you can see: fun, pops, drops, pop rock. I don't know all these things, but yes, you can choose it and you can create a very specific curated video for the other persons who you want to send this audio. And now I have another tool which is very amazing, which is called Luma AI. Here you will upload your image and it will give you a very amazing video, Hollywood type videos with this tool. You just have to upload here your videos or your image. If you have, you just have to upload it, and by your image only it will give you a very amazing video. I didn't sign up for this, so you just go and sign up on this tool. And yes, this is free for some use cases, but if you want to use another, like for specific things, like you want to create some animations, you want to add some pop-ups in your videos, so for some AI steps, for some different AI animations, AI transitions, so you have to pay some money to the Polo AI or Luma AI, and all the links are in the description. So just go and check it out and go and enjoy the things. Like you can create your own song, you can create your own Hollywood movies with one selfie or one photo. And now I have very useful AI tool for the creators who is creating videos on Instagram, YouTube or any other platforms. So this is Opus Clip, which helps you to create a B-roll videos, which helps you to create a short video with the use of this tool. You just have to go and upload the link of your video here, drop a link, like YouTube video link, and it will give you the free clips. Yes, and it gives you auto frame, auto caption, auto reframe, auto b-rolls, and see the viral templates, and it will gives you very much things. It is AI creation things. So just go and check it out, and it is free for some use cases. Again, it is not full free. It is some use cases are free, like you will get some captions, you will get some animations, you will get some reframes or auto videos. But if you want to add some transitions, some subscribe logos, so then they will charge you, then they will want some money from you, and they will add some music also in background. So that's a very good thing. So go and check it out if you are a creator, if you are creating YouTube videos, short videos. So just go. This will help you a lot to gain the subscribers, to gain the views, and to just enhance your channel on the internet. So just go and check it out. And everyone knows this is Notion AI, which helps you to organize your daily stuff, your to-do list in a very curated manner, so that you can follow the things in a very appropriate manner, and that will help you to improve your productivity. So that's a very good tool, Notion AI, and this is going very well, and it is also free for some use cases. But if you want to use some other stuffs for like their AI creation things or AI summarization things, so then they will charge you some money. But in free you will get a lot of options on this Notion AI. So just go and check it out. And now I have Gemini 2.0 Flash. So if you are a student and if you are doing lot of mathematical tasks, so just go and check this Gemini 2.0 Flash and click on this add file and images, and you have to upload your mathematical problems on this plus icon, and you will get a very appropriate right answer of your questions. Yes, for the student who is doing mathematical tasks, this tool is a gem for them. And if you are not a student, and if you know someone who is a student who is doing a lot of mathematical tasks, so just send it to him and ask him to watch my videos and use this Gemini 2.0 Flash for their mathematical tasks, for their mathematical calculations. So yes, this is Suno AI, which helps you to make a song, which is Luma AI, which helps you to create a Hollywood type of video with one photo. This is Opus Clip to create a very amazing short video with auto creations like auto reframe, auto captions, and AI creations. So go and check it out this also. And this is Notion AI, which helps you to create your daily stuffs, your to-do list. And this is Gemini AI to help you to solve the mathematical problems in just a few seconds. So yes guys, these are the top 5 AI tools that I have today and I want to share with you all. So just go and check it out. All the AI tools links are in the description. So just go check it out and I will catch you in the next video. तब तक के लिए जय हिंद, वंदे मातरम।